Hello, here we are, concrete day on the stem wall system footer part of the system. Guys over there, they already started the footers of concrete, making sure everything's aligned, leveled. Them rebars that are laying, as soon as the concrete gets a little harder, they'll be standing up so they can take the blocks. Also, as we go, the guys with the laser make sure we are leveled and at the right height, according to the height that's required in reference to the mark on the street. We have to be a certain height from sea level. So as we go, we need to check with the laser. We just started. I'm pretty sure we're gonna finish within the next 2 hours. It looks pretty good so far. All right, guys, thank you.